Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn how to make apple cider vinegar at home, step by step, using simple ingredients and natural fermentation. Select 4 to 6 fresh, ripe apples. Organic apples are best because they carry natural yeast on their skin, which helps fermentation. Wash the apples thoroughly in clean water. If they're waxed, scrub lightly or soak them in warm water with a tablespoon of vinegar for 10 minutes to remove the wax coating. Chop the apples into small cubes around 1 to 2 centimeters in size. Keep the peels and cores as they contain nutrients and natural yeast. Place the cut apples into a large, clean glass jar until it's about 3/4 full. Avoid metal containers as vinegar reacts with metal. In a mixing bowl, dissolve 3 to 4 tablespoons of white sugar, brown sugar, or honey in 2 cups of filtered or boiled cooled water. Sugar feeds the natural yeast and bacteria, which convert the apple sugars into alcohol and later into vinegar. Pour the sugar water into the jar over the apples. If the apples are not completely submerged, add more water until they are just covered. Leave about 1 inch of empty space at the top to allow bubbling. Cover the jar with a clean cotton cloth, muslin, or paper towel. Secure it with a rubber band. This allows air circulation while keeping insects and dust out. Place the jar in a warm, dark corner of your kitchen, away from direct sunlight. Let the jar sit for 3 to 4 weeks. Stir the mixture with a wooden or plastic spoon every 2 days to prevent mold growth and to keep the apples evenly soaked. You'll notice bubbles, a light fizz, and a fruity smell. That's a good sign. Fermentation is happening. If a white layer forms on top, it's harmless yeast. Just stir it back in. After 3 to 4 weeks, strain out the apple solids using a clean strainer. Transfer the liquid back into the glass jar. The apple pieces can be composted or discarded. Cover the jar again with a cloth and let the liquid sit for another 3 to 4 weeks. This is when the alcohol transforms into vinegar. You'll see a cloudy, jelly-like substance forming at the bottom or top. This is the mother of vinegar, a natural probiotic that makes ACV healthy. Once the vinegar smells sharp and tastes tangy, it's ready. Pour it into a clean glass bottle with a tight cap. Store it at room temperature. Your homemade apple cider vinegar is now ready to use for cooking, health remedies, and beauty care. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next recipe.